steal a spoon from Mom's sink and bend it. Then he started to turn around. I just turned around a few times. Why did this rebellious guy start spinning in the opposite direction? Unplug the old telephone. Keeps spinning. Just when I'm about to get dizzy from him. This guy is actually starting to turn around. This is their prototype. Celtic magic stone. First, rotate clockwise, then rotate counterclockwise. You'll find he has his own will. If it doesn't turn in the direction it likes, then he will turn around and continue on his own way. What's going on? To sum up, there are only two shapes. The bottom and the tabletop are asymmetrical. Either the bottom is completely symmetrical, but above it there are two asymmetrical parts. That is to say, to create a Celtic pattern, the following two conditions must be met. The surface is oval. The mass symmetry axis cannot be parallel to the geometric symmetry axis. For example, remove the takeaway spoon like this. Then stick 3 pieces of plasticine in it. Or bend the spoon like in the beginning of the video. It should be noted that the spoon cake should be slightly tilted. As for the principle, it is now generally accepted that the inner sound is a unique geometry and uneven mass distribution. The external sound is friction. Let's take a closer look at the rotation process of the Celtic membrane. When rotating in an undesirable direction, friction will cause his unstable swing. That is, vibration along the short axis on the horizontal plane. As the amplitude continues to increase, the initial rotational energy is converted into vibration energy. At this time, the Celtic model no longer rotates horizontally, and because his center of gravity is not directly above the point where he touches the table. So after a complex energy transformation desktop, the friction on the Celtic pattern provides a force for one end to rotate in the horizontal plane. This is why we see the stop shaking and reverse rotation. It is not difficult to see from the principle that friction plays a key role. Therefore, if the Celtic membrane is placed on a smooth surface, you won't be able to see his unique backward rotation phenomenon. Finally, I want to share with you a turtle version of the Celtic model stone. He used the different orientations of the turtle's body to change the mass distribution of the object. Very interesting.